Young man, I know you're shaking, fearing that your future's already overtaken. Will your children stand safe and secure when rioting mobs are at your door? Do the global lords of left-wing power scheme your replacement and hasten the hour when people like you just fade away, blended in, silenced and washed away? Son, look up, don't live in terror. Race fear is a bitter error. Trust the God your fathers knew. Pass on faith and morals and not your chalky hue. Fear not, build your home and raise your seed. God is Lord, learn the Bible and the creed. Pass on the truths that will abide. Pigment fades or darkens as God decides. Stand fast in Jehovah's grace. Your true strength is not your supposed race. Empires crumble, waves collide. Brief sandcastles in history's tide. Why a young man don't react with spite? You were born for truth, not some fruitless fight. Can you find a worthy life without tension and ethnic strife? Who stole our flags and our ancient songs? Was it those strangers who don't belong? Is every foreign face to blame for your righteous wounds and hidden shame? Lay your bitterness before Jesus, the true Christ restores. Don't let sin rule you. In duty and contentment, men grow strong. Pride and hatred will steer you wrong. Calm down, find your labor, plant your feet. Hope grows strong in spite of defeat. Heaven calls you, hold your ground. In King Jesus, real peace is found. Brother, throw away that poisonous pride. Let the Lamb, not anger, guide. Empires melt in the onrushing tide, like sandcastles in the tide. You want heroes, models and fathers. Maybe yours was gone or never bothered. Maybe his foolish anger blinds your sight. Or maybe you're a rebel who loves to fight. In Christ's church there are fathers for you, mentors to follow and duties to do. Find your purpose in serving others. Love your enemies, safeguard your brothers. Stop the brooding, drop resentment. Choose obedience, choose contentment. Lift your eyes, the harvest calls. Serve the weak and mend the walls. Rise up, faith not flesh will build your line. Hearts of oak grow slow with plotting time. God defends his sons who kneel. Grace is stronger than your earthly zeal. Day by day love's narrow road lifts the humble, makes pride implode. Empires melt in the onrushing tide. Races are sandcastles in the tide. Pharaoh feared some future threat. He killed his own slaves, then judgment met. Don't be a Pharaoh, embody trust, not pride. Live in love with each humble stride. God will reign and will eternally abide, long after sandcastles in the tide.